You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and insights. In this video, we'll delve into my experience using IDT Express's eSIM service. We'll cover its key features, functionality, and explore which users would benefit most from this solution. Links to the products mentioned are available in the description below. IDT Express provides a scalable and adaptable eSIM solution specifically designed for businesses and enterprises seeking reliable global connectivity. A major advantage is eliminating the complexities associated with managing physical SIM cards. The setup process was remarkably quick and easy. Once you've established an account with IDT Express, activating the eSIM is accomplished by scanning a QR code directly with your phone. Within moments, the eSIM is active, and you're ready to connect. This streamlined approach clearly prioritizes efficiency, enabling companies to seamlessly manage numerous devices across various geographical locations. IDT Express offers a user-friendly dashboard that grants complete visibility and control over your data plans. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses needing to monitor and adjust data usage in real time. Regarding network performance, my experience was consistently positive. IDT Express collaborates with leading carriers worldwide, ensuring comprehensive coverage in most locations. Data speeds remained consistently robust, handling demanding tasks like video calls and streaming without any noticeable lag or interruption. This reliability makes it a strong choice for professionals requiring stable connectivity while traveling or working internationally. The IDT Express eSIM solution is tailored for users who value global reach without compromising speed or quality. One of the standout features is the flexibility of their data plans. IDT Express provides customizable packages that scale to meet your specific business requirements, whether you're equipping a small team or deploying devices across multiple regions. The system also accommodates a pay-as-you-go model, offering excellent cost control for budget-conscious organizations. Moreover, IDT Express boasts a responsive support team that promptly addresses any issues or inquiries, a critical aspect for businesses dependent on uninterrupted service. In conclusion, the IDT Express eSIM solution is an excellent option for enterprises requiring robust global connectivity without the burdens of traditional SIM card management. It's a particularly good fit for companies that require scalable options with dependable performance. If you believe IDT Express could be the right solution for your business, explore their offerings further through the links provided in the description. Thank you for watching.